Should I start? Assalamu alaikum.
Salam.
So, as we all know that we are doing debate on a very good topic that is all about reservation. I would like to start with showing you a picture. Let me show this. Okay, this. What is this? Who gets this? Who gets this? Disabled people. Now a person comes and stands up like her and says, "What is this? Disabled people are getting the wheelchair. Will we walk? No, we will also get the wheelchair." What the hell talk is this? He is disabled. That's why he is getting the wheelchair. Similarly, the people who are getting the reservation are kinda depressed. That's why they are getting the reservation. So it is also kind of reservation. And one of the sisters, Safia, Miss Safia. Oh my God, sister. May Allah bless you with good informations. Ameen, Ameen. So as she said, Safia Hashmi, that reservation should not be. Okay, we understand, we get. Let me tell you. Okay, I will not tell. No, I will not tell about the India that there is discrimination with touching. Like if you touch me, I will be pavitra. Or if there is a black or white, there will be discrimination. No. I will tell you about the most developed country in the world. What's that? USA. Let me tell you, when did it get the independence? It got independence in 1776, 171 years before. 171 years before the Indian independence. So of course they would have done so many things before the India. Still, you can see and we can listen. The cases come from the US that a black person was got beaten by the policeman, and who was that? He was a white person. What is this happening now in the US? Has the discrimination ended? Let me tell you one of the report of the Helsinki Watch. In which class are you? Science or arts? Oh my God, that's then you will understand in the 12th. It is a kind of report of Helsinki Watch or Human Rights Watch. You can say it's a non-government organization in the whole world. It is the most essential organization. So it works in the favor of people who have been depressed. In this, if I read, it is written about 21% of black people in the United States live in poverty, while double less 8.8% people in the USA who are white live in the poverty. What does it mean? It means black people are still not progressing. One more thing, it has also openly admitted to failing to provide sufficient resources for civil rights to whom? To whom? To the black people. And in which country? Not in India, not in China, not in Taiwan. In the USA, the most developed country according to you. What is this happening, sister? Has reservation ended in any corner of the world? No, just in this corner. Now you must speak.
Assalamu alaikum, everyone.
That's not the corner.
So, as we know very well that we have a debate on a very amazing topic, which is all about reservation, and I could say that it is a historic topic and worthy to debate. Reservation. Actually, what is the reason behind it? Why Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar implemented reservation? Because earlier, as all of the opponents said earlier, STSC, OBC, and lower caste people did not have the rights of education. Now everyone has the right of education. So first now, as we all you are talking about, I wanna ask the question: on which curriculum the reservation is based on? Please answer me. Answer, brother. Answer.
I don't know.
So all of the one, everyone was talking about casteism, and casteism. Now I wanna give the example, not the one of the best book of the Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. What he said in his book, Annihilation of Caste, 1936. In this book, Ambedkar argues that reservation should not be a permanent feature. What he said, please listen it carefully. In this book, Ambedkar argues that reservation should not be a permanent feature, but rather a temporary measure. To address historical injustice, he emphasizes that need for social and economic empowerment through education and opportunities. He didn't say about casteism. And Mr. Ishan Sefi, he came here and named a party that they were against Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, that he made reservation on the best of casteism. No, brother, he didn't make reservation on the caste. He made the condition of the people. Now the another book of Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, who were the Sudras? You are art Student, you know very well who is Sudras.
Now I'm in special education.
Oh, so you
I-
were.
I was.
So, we know very well. So it is a 10th class topic. Sudras were those who are labor and provide services. In his book Who Were Sudras 1946, Ambedkar discussed the origin of the Sudras caste and argues that reservations should be based on economic and social criteria, not just caste. Then why are we fighting on caste and caste and caste?
Sister, for your kind information, if you know about Pune Pact 1932, if you know, you know. That's why we are arts people, you know.
You
We
don't know
we
about that who
the
is
history.
Sudra. You don't know who is
Sister,
Sudra. Now you're talking about, you don't know about that.
Don't go in your old version, sister. we know about Shudras, we know about Kshatriya, Brahman, Vaishya, Shudra. You know, you are talking about that Varna system. You are talking about that. Okay, let me tell you what happened in the Pune Pact. Like before Pune Pact, everyone like Muslim or Anglo-Indian Christians had got the reservation. So the B.R. Ambedkar goes to the British Parliament or to the Britishers and says and appeals that the SC and ST who are Dalits should also get the reservation. That was the simple point. Why are you making it a big mountain? Like not on the caste is not on the caste is not on, so onward. Tell me.
So as my teammate has said,
Okay,
it
let me
was.
speak. It was my turn.
You
I
said
just-
to tell me now.
I'm not saying tell me. Okay. You're holding the words. You're holding the words. Do not hold the words. Now let me tell. There is one of the most popular objection. Everything has become okay. Everyone is equal. You know, like female, male, everyone is equal. Black, poor, white, Anglo-Indian, American, Farsi, whatever. Everyone is equal. Okay, we understand. But it's not reality. It sounds logical. Actually, it is not logical. How? Let me give you one of the examples. Whenever before this, let me tell you why reservation should be still. As people are, standing here and coming and saying that reservation should not be because everything has become equal. Let me tell you why reservation should be still. You know what? It is observed in the Indian history and in the world history. Whenever a single community is ignored, either that whole community and its generations extinct, or they become depressed like SC and ST, or they do protest and it becomes to terrorism. For example, I would like to give you the example of Naxalism, Naxalite in the English, and in the Indian Naxalwadi movement. If you know about this, you are not arts, we are arts, we know. Okay, so what happened in that? There was their demand was that government should look after, just not give any kind of facility, not do any kind of upliftment of the people, of the farmers, just look after. To whom? To the poor farmers. But government was ignoring from decades, and then you can see now and day in and day out, you can see the news coming that in this state Naxalism has done this, in this state Naxalism has done this. What is this happening? And then why did this happen? Because of not looking after them. That's why reservation should be, must.
So, as my honorable opponent is saying again, why? Let me give an example, a beautiful example. When British ruled here, there was a kind of tradition in India that's called Sati Pratha. They saw that what happened in India, brutally what happened in India with the women. And they stopped this. And the very next year, there was no any kind of Sati Pratha. Why? Because they didn't implement a law. And for your kind information, I would like to say that laws nailed down in front of politicians. They do not work. They doesn't work. And same thing, I would like to say the reservation, equality. And equality should not be a law, it must be a order. When it must be order, it will work. Reservation not gonna work. In your hall, we live here, and generation will live here, and they gonna work. And then I wanna answer my opponents. And one of my opponents said that lots of officers belong to lower caste. That is the reason, bro. Now lots of the lower caste people are achieving their goals. Now this is not the need of reservation. Now the need of we need equality. That mentality we know. We want that mentality, a right mentality. This is not gonna come from the reservation. This is gonna come from the education. Now everyone has the education, the right of education.
I would like to show you a picture. Tell me who is that?
I don't know. Maybe Adivasi.
Maybe Adivasi. Okay. They are red Indians. No, you are not arts student. Science, we got. You know what? Who are red Indians? Red Indians means they are in color like Indians. They are Native Americans. Now, can you see any person like this in the America? Not at all. Why? Because when the Europeans invaded the America first in 14th century, then they did the genocide like this happening in the Palestine. They did the same in the America. And they people, you cannot see nowadays in the America that they are wearing whatever their clothes and they are visiting in the America. No. Why? Because they have been extinct. 2.9% people from the 100% population in the USA are they.
Now-
And who are the native? That's what I wanted to say. Thank you.